Right, let me take this microphone and I'll read the question for you. Okay, twice as well. Get ready. This is coming from Divine Montaliana. Right? Divine said, in a political climate where young voices are sometimes red tagged for speaking up or advocating for change, how can we safeguard freedom of expression while protecting every Filipino's safety and dignity? RT. In a political climate where young voices are sometimes red tagged for speaking up or advocating for change, how can we safeguard freedom of expression while protecting every Filipino's safety and dignity?
Marhay na ang dami ng pera!
Naag. Banggid na.
Well, honestly, I myself is a student leader. I am the Division Federation SSLG President of the whole Legazpi City, and I also have a position in Regional Federation. That's why this question is often mispronounced and most often overlooked by some people because they would always say to say our silent or to say our piece is to be silent. But I believe that is actually the incorrect way of thinking. You know what? In our community, it's really the purpose of trying, being, and serving the people. And with the red tags, you just have to have a core solid of government, of civic government that should lead your seed. And that's why in our government, I'm so very proud because I have young leaders, young student leaders that are proud and guided by advisors and PTOs. That is why I'm very thankful, and I wish you also as a youth can have the voice and have the courage to rise between all those differences, all those misconceptions, all those thoughts and threats of being scared because there is someone higher up. Because in the future, if you don't speak up, if you don't own up, there will be no future generation. There will be no children of tomorrow. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Wonderfully said. And of course,